Target vehicle acquired. Locking coordinates now.
Confirmed. Prepare for engagement.
Target locked. Standing by.
The next world war may not be fought by soldiers. The next world war may not begin with troops crossing borders. It may begin in silence, inside a machine. Artificial intelligence now scans battlefields in seconds. It tracks heat signatures, identifies movement, predicts behavior, faster than any human commander. For centuries, war has been human. Human fear, human pride, human error. But something has changed. Machines are no longer just assisting, they are deciding. Artificial intelligence can identify a face in seconds, track it, flag it, target it, without emotion, without hesitation. War is no longer just physical, it is digital, it is algorithmic, it is automated. Across the world, powerful nations are racing. The United States, China, Russia, Israel. Not for more soldiers, not for more tanks, but for smarter systems, faster decisions, autonomous weapons. Who controls the code that controls the weapons? What happens when a machine makes a mistake? Who is responsible when an algorithm selects the wrong target? The commander, the programmer, or no one at all? When machines fight machines, how do humans stop the war? This is not a future threat, it is happening now. Nations are investing billions into military artificial intelligence, not quietly, not slowly, but aggressively. In the United States, defense contractors and AI firms are building systems that can analyze battlefield data in real time. Companies like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman are integrating artificial intelligence into weapons platforms. AI is being embedded into drones, missile defense, and surveillance networks. In China, artificial intelligence is considered a strategic national priority. The People's Liberation Army is investing heavily in swarm drones, autonomous naval systems, and AI-assisted cyber units. Chinese tech companies like Huawei and SenseTime are pushing advancements in surveillance and machine vision. Russia has focused on AI-driven missile systems and electronic warfare. Autonomous ground vehicles, automated air defense, AI-enhanced targeting systems. In Israel, artificial intelligence is deeply integrated into national defense. The Israel Defense Forces use AI for target identification, border security, and predictive threat analysis. This is not cooperation, it is competition, an algorithmic arms race. The country that processes faster, reacts faster, strikes faster, and possibly wins before diplomacy even begins. Autonomous weapons can identify, select, and strike targets without direct human input. Swarm drones overwhelm defenses. AI systems adjust mid-flight. They do not panic. They do not hesitate. Artificial intelligence now defends and attacks digital infrastructure, power grids, financial systems, military networks. A war can begin without a single shot being fired. AI can manipulate information, create fake speeches, trigger unrest, destabilize entire nations without crossing a border. History has come close to nuclear disaster before. During the Cold War, human judgment prevented catastrophe. But what happens when machines make that decision instead? AI systems learn, adapt, and evolve. But they are not conscious. They do not understand consequence. As technology becomes cheaper, autonomous weapons spread, not just to governments, but to militias, to extremists, to anyone with access. Speed changes everything. When both sides automate defense systems, reaction times shrink. Minutes become seconds. Seconds become milliseconds. The faster the machine, the smaller the window for peace. Every war in history has been started by humans. driven by fear, by pride, by power. But the next war may not need anger. It may only need activation. The question is no longer whether AI will fight wars. The question is, who will control it? If machines learn to fight for us, would we still know how to stop them?